Hello students, welcome back to CET and JEE online classes. We are discussing the chapter relations and functions. In the previous class I gave introduction for functions. Now see the problems here. First one is the number of one-one functions that can be defined from A into B. This set is A, this set is B. Just imagine it is A set, this is B set. So n of A, how many elements we have? That is 4 elements. N of B, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 elements are there. In the A, how many elements we have? 4 elements. In the B, 5 elements from A to B. Now, we have to find one-one functions. So, number of one-one functions is equal to, what is the formula I gave already? N of B, P, N of A. N of B means 5. P means permutations here. Next, N of A, that is 4. 5P, 4. So, how to calculate this one? 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial. So, NPR is, what is the formula for NPR? N factorial by N minus R factorial. That is the formula. So, that is 5 factorial by 5 minus 4 factorial means 1 factorial means 1, that is 5 factorial. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So, 5 into 4, 26. It is 120. So, answer is option A. Number of one-one functions formula is N of B, P, N of E. Suppose functions only means number of functions formula is N of B whole power N of A. This formula for number of functions, number of total functions, that is N of B whole power N of E. In that one functions formula N of B, P, N of E. Remember that. Next, come to this one. Set A contains 3 elements, that is N of A. N of A equal to 3. Next, set B contains 2 elements, that is N of B equal to 2. Then, number of onto functions we have to write. See here, I gave one formula, that is N of A equal to N and N of B equal to 2. The number of onto functions, number of onto functions equal to 2 power n minus 2. So 2 power, what is n value is 3 now? 2 power 3 minus 2, that is 2 cube, that is 8, minus 2, that is 6. Answer is see the next problem is, if f from close bracket 2 to not defined, it is infinity, to b defined by f of x equal to x square minus 4x plus 5 is bijection, then b equal to. See here the starting value is 2 and ending value is infinity. So, what is the function is there? F of x equal to, I am taking the function is x square minus 4x plus 5. So, in this one, first I am taking these are the x values. Remember this one. It is a domain. These are the x values and b is the f of x values. Always remember. Range means nothing but it is f of x values. Domain means x values. Domain is x values. Range is f of x values. So domain is x values. Range is f of x values. So here x are taking 2. Starting value is 2. Now what is the f of x is? Substitute here. 2 square, that is 4 minus 2 into 4, 8 plus 5. So 4 plus 5 minus 8, that is 1. F of x value is 1. Suppose x equal to next value is, can I take 3? So f of x value is, substitute here, 3 square. 3 square is 9 minus 4 into 3, 12 plus 5. So 9 plus 5, 14 minus 12 is 2. That means the value is increasing. Here f of x value is increasing. 1, 2, next. It is increasing. So what is the minimum value we got? That is 1. That one we have to take as f of x value. That is the starting value, we have to minimum value. That is minimum value. And what is the ending value is? It is infinitive. If you substitute here, infinitive, x value is infinitive, f of x value also infinitive. So 1 to infinity. That is b. These are the x values. These are the f of x values. So answer is b. Next, f of 1 is 1. F of n plus 1 equal to 2 into f of n plus 1. N values is given. N values 1 to above 1. N value 1 first we have to take. Next above 1 also you can take. 2, 3 like that. Now what is the f of n? That function, main function identified. See here. Suppose n value I am taking 1. Here. N value I can take 1 here. Substitute here. So 1 plus 1, that is 2. So I am writing clearly. Here n value is 1. 1 plus 1 equal to 2 into f of 1. N value is 1. F of 1 plus 1. So it is f of 2 is equal to 2 into f of 1. F of 1 is already given. That value is 1. Substitute 2 into 1 plus 1. So 2 into 1, 2 plus 1 is 3. So f of 2 is 3. I am writing this one as 2 power 2 minus 1. 2 square minus 1. 2 square means 4. 4 minus 1 is 3. Remember this one. Next, suppose n equal to 2. Substitute. F of n value 2, 2 plus 1 is equal to 2 into f of n value is 2. F of 2 plus 1. That is 2 into f of 2 value. Already you got f of 2 value is how much? 3. Into 3 plus 1. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 1 is 7. This 7 I am writing as, this is f of 3. 2 plus 1 is 3. 7 I am writing as 2 power 3 minus 1. 2 cube minus 1. 2 cube is 8. 8 minus 1 is 7. So you are getting the same formulas. So f of 2, just see here, don't see here. Don't see this one. Don't see this one, forget this one. See here, f of 2 equal to 2 square minus 2. F of 2, 2. 2 square minus 1. Next, f of 3, 2 cube minus 1. In the same way, f of n, in place of 3 just substitute n. F of n equal to 2 power, in place of 3 is n. 2 power n minus 1. So what is f of n is? 2 power n minus 1. That is the answer. See the next problem is, if f of x is a function such that f of x plus y equal to f of x plus f of y, and given f of 1 value is 7, then summation of r equal to 1 to n f of r value we have to find. Now see, what is the expansion of this one is summation of r equal to 1 to n f of r. Just substitute 1. That is r value is 1. That is f of 1 plus next r value is 2. F of 2 plus f of 3 plus and so on plus f of, and the last term is n, f of n. That is f of 1 plus f of 2 plus f of 3 plus and so on f of n. Now here we have to find the summation of all these values. Now see, what is given? F of 1 is 7. F of 1 is 7. And the given condition is f of x plus y is equal to f of x plus f of 1. Suppose here x value 1, y value 1 I am taking. I am taking x value 1, y value 1. F of 1 plus 1 is equal to f of 1 plus f of 1. So this is how much it is, f of 2. So f of 1 value is 7. F of 1 value again 7. That is 7 plus 7. It is 14. That is f of 2 value 14. Suppose x value 2 I am taking, x equal to 2, y value 1 I am taking. Substitute. F of 2 plus 1. F of 2 plus 1 equal to f of 2 plus f of 1. So f of 2 is how much here? F of 2 already got. What is f of 2 value is 14. 14 plus, now here, f of 1 is 7. 14 plus 7 is 21. Now substitute. What is the f of 1 value? F of 1 value. F of 1 value is 7 plus f of 2 value is 14, f of 3 value 21, and so on. In this one, can I take 7 is common? Yes, 7 is common now. It is in the 7, common means 1 remaining, plus in the 17, 7 common, that is 2, plus in the 21, 7 common, remaining 3, plus and so on, up to how many terms? N terms. Up to how many terms? N terms. N terms. So 72. The sum of natural numbers. The sum of n natural numbers. Formula is n into n plus 1 by 2. So answer is D. Next. F of x is a polynomial function such that f of x into f of 1 by x equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. F of 3 equal to 28, then f of 4 value we have to find. Here, some fixed formats are there. Some fixed formats are there. See this format. What is the format? F of x into f of 1 by x is equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. Of satisfying this condition, there is one function, that is the f of x equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. 1 plus or minus x power n. That means which one? That equal to 1 plus x power n or 1 minus x power n. So which one we have to take? See here, carefully here. Here when we given it is in the positive terms. When it is in the positive terms, we have to take this plus 1 plus x power n. When we have this one is negative, it is in terms of minus. Suppose minus 27, minus 28, minus 29. When this term is in terms of negative, in terms of minus, then we have to use the function is 1 minus x power n. Remember, when we have it is positive 1 plus x power n, when we have negative 1 minus x power n. That function we have to take. So which function I will take now? F of x equal to, and this is the fixed. This is fixed here. For this condition, f of x satisfied. That means if you substitute here, f of x is 1 plus x power n, this equation will satisfy. So f of x equal to, what is the function taken? 1 plus x power n. See here. So f of 3 given f of 3. F of 3 given. So in place of x is how much? 3. Substitute here. 1 plus 3 power n. This is how much given? F of 3 value is 28. From this one, 3 power n. Send this one to the side. 3 power n equal to 28 minus 1, that is 27. So 3 power n equal to 27. How to write? 3 cube. So from this one, base is equal. We can equate the powers. So n value is 3. Now what is the function? F of x equal to 1 plus x, same. N value we got 3, x cube. Now finally, which one we have to find? F of 4. That is, f of 4 is equal to 1 plus x value 4 cube. So 1 plus 4 cube, it is 64, it is 65. 1 plus 64 is 65. So answer is B. Suppose here, the formats, other formats we have, that formats may be, this one completed, this problem is completed. Now I am discussing about 2 more formats. What is the format we have here? F of x into f of 1 by x equal to f of x plus f of 1 by x. When we have this format, f of x equal to 1 plus or minus x power n. So when you have to use that one, when here it is the positive value, then it is 1 plus x power n. When we have negative value, 1 minus x power n. Next, suppose here, you don't have it. Suppose the format is f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y is there. This format is there. F of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. For this one, which is suitable? Which function is suitable? For this one is f of x equal to a power x. A power x. Once check this one, how it will satisfy this one. So f of x is a power x. F of x plus y is f of x plus y is equal to a power x plus y. It is LHS. Now what about the RHS is f of x into f of y. That is f of x is a power x into f of y is a power y. So base is same. We can add the powers. F of, that is a power x plus y. Both are same. So f of x equal to a power x satisfy this condition. That means when you see this condition, f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y, automatically you have to choose the function is f of x equal to a power x. That is fixed. So what is the conditions? This one. It is fixed here. Next, one more is there. I am writing here one more. F of x into y equal to f of x plus f of y. When we have this format, here we have to choose f of x equal to log x base to the a. Log x to the base a. This one we have to take. So these are the formats. 3 formats I am giving. This one, f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y. Then we have that one, f of x equal to a power x. where f of x into y equal to f of x plus f of y, then f of x equal to log x to the base a. These are the three important formats here. See the next one is f of x equal to cos of log x, then f of x, f of 1 by x, f of 1 by x into f of 1 by y minus 1 by 2 into f of xy plus f of x by y. This value we have to find. See here, what is given? F of x equal to cos of log x. Now in the same way, can I write f of y? Just I am taking place of x is y I am taking. What is f of y is? Cos of log y. Now here, I am choosing here x value 1, y value 1. X value 1, y value 1. Now substitute here. F of 1 is equal to cos of log x value 1. Log 1. Log 1 is 0. Cos 0 is 1. That is f of 1 equal to 1. Here also same it is. If you substitute y value 1, f of 1 that is cos 0 is 1. F of 1 is 1. Now substitute these values, x values, y values in this one. That is, what is the given one? F of 1 by 1 into f of 1 by 1. Y value x value 1 minus 1 by 2 into f of x into y. X value 1, y value 1. F of 1 into 1 plus f of 1 by 1. That is f of 1 into f of 1 minus 1 by 2 into, this is f of 1 into 1, 1 plus this is f of 1. Now f of 1 value is 1, we got 1 into 1, 1 minus 1 by 2 into f of 1 value 1, f of 1 value also 1. So 1 plus 1, that is 1 minus 1 by 2 into, this is 2, 2 to get cancelled, 1 minus 1 is 0. Option is A. Next, the function f from R to R defined by f of x equal to sin x. Now it is, there are two ways to solve this one. Sin x is the periodic function of 2 pi. That means after 2 pi it will repeat the same elements, same values. Now here, otherwise simply we can say here, suppose x value I am taking pi. Then what is the sin pi? 0. Sin pi is 0. Suppose x value I am taking 2 pi. Sin 2 pi is 0. Because sin n pi is 0. Sin n pi is 0. So sin pi is 0, sin 2 pi also 0. That means for different elements they have the same image. Here x means domain. These are the f of x values. Images. These are the images of this one. So if you take the mapping here, pi, 2 pi, it is 0. Like this is it. So what is the 1 1 means? Here what you define the function is from R to R. So many elements are there here. So many elements are there. So many numbers are there. Here if you take pi, 2 pi, different elements have same image. If you have different elements, different images means it is 1 1. But here different elements have same image means it is many 1. It is many 1. So answer is D, which is not 1 1, that is many 1. Answer is D. See the next one. F from Z to Z is defined by f of x equal to two functions given, that is when x is even, that is x by 2, when x is odd, that is 0. That function we have to check it is on to 1 1 like that. See here, I am taking a diagram, mapping I am taking. So both are domain, codomain are integers. So integers both I am taking. Now the function is f. Now here which values you have? Suppose 0. Here also 0 is there. Next -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. Here also -1, -2, -3, -4 like that. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Because all the values are both are same. Both are same. Now see here. Remember here, these are the x values. These are the f of x values. These are the x values. Taking values or choosing values. These are the f of x values. That is the result values. Result values. Actually, the whole set we can call as codomain. The elements which are in the mapping, that are called range. In the first year already we learned that one. So these are the f of x values here, which are in the mapping, that is f of x values, that is range values. So what is the condition is f of x equal to when x is even and when x is odd. So see here, when x is even, that is 0, suppose I am taking, we can say it is even number because it is a even number means it is multiple of 2. Multiple of 2. So 0 we can write it as 0 into 2. I can say. Suppose 0 means 0 by 2, that is mapping is 0 to 0. Next, 1. 1 is odd number. When x is odd, when x is odd number, everything mapping to 0. When x is odd, so 1 is odd number, so it is mapping to 0. Answer is 0. Directly answer is 0. Next, 3 also odd, so it is also 0. Next, 5 also odd, it is mapping to 0. Next, -1 odd number, it is mapping to 0. Next, -3 mapping to 0. -3 is odd number. Now what about the even numbers? When x is even, it is by 2, divided by 2. So -2 divided by 2, -1. So -2 to -1. Next, 2. 2 divided by 2, 2 to 1. Next, suppose I am taking 4, -4 divided by 2, that is -2. That means x value I am taking -4. So f of x equal to x by 2, because -4 is even number. So that is -4 by 2, that is -2. So -4 to -2. In the same way, 4. If x equal to 4, f of x equal to x by 2, that is 4 by 2, that is 2. So 4 to 2. Next, if you take -6. -6 means divide by 2, that is -3. If you take 6 means +3. Am I here? That one also 5, 6. Here -5, -6, -5, -6. So -6 to -3, 5 to 0, -5 to 0, +5 to 0. Next, 6 to 3, like that. Am I writing this one? That means if you take -8, It is 4 you will get, minus 4. If you take 8 means it is 4 you will get. Now see here. It is 1 1. 1 1 means different elements should have different elements. But here all the odd numbers, see here, minus 5, minus 3, 0 also, and 1, 3, 5, they have the same image 0. They have the same image 0. So it is not 1 1. Not 1 1. Because what is the 1 1 condition is different elements should have different images. But here the elements minus 5, minus 3, minus 1, 0, 1, 3, 5, these are have the same image 0. That's why it is not 1 1. Now is it is on to? Check once. Yes, it is on to. Because in the second set, every element is in the mapping with at least one element of set A. Suppose you have 4 if you take. So it will be mapped by 8. 8 by 2. 4 you get. Suppose here 5 is there. 5 how we connect here? How to map here? It is 10. 10 by 2 is 5. If you take any element here, there is a mapping here. So it is on. So it is not 1 1 but on 2. That means on 2 but not 1 1. Option A. Next, what about this one? F of x equal to ax power 5 plus bx cube plus cx plus d is an odd function. Then b equal to. What about the even function and odd function? Suppose f of x is one function is there. That is x square. Is the function is even function or odd function? How to check? When f of minus x equal to f of x, then it is even function. Suppose f of minus x equal to minus of f of x, then it is odd function. See here, substitute here. In place of x is minus x. Minus x equal to minus x whole square. So minus x whole square is x square. Positive. So x square is f of x only. That is f of x. So f of minus x equal to f of x. So this f of x equal to x square is even. Suppose here f of x equal to sin x. Now what is the f of minus x? Sin of minus x. Sin of minus x is minus sin x. Minus sin x. So it is minus sin x means f of x. So what you got? F of minus x equal to minus f of x. So then this sin x is odd function. That is the even and the odd functions. Now see here. I am taking one more example here. Now see, f of x equal to x cube. Is it is even function or odd function? Check. F of minus x equal to minus x whole cube. So minus x whole cube means minus x cube. That is minus x cube means f of x. So f of minus x equal to minus f of x. So it is odd function. Clear? It is odd function. It is odd. Suppose here f of x equal to, I am taking x cube plus 1. Here constant you can take anything. 1, 2, 3, 4, anything. 1 lakh also. You can take this constant anything. Suppose I am taking this function. Now I have to check this even function or odd function. F of minus x is equal to minus x whole cube plus 1. Don't write minus 1. Just in place of x you have to write minus x only. When you have x term, you have to substitute in place of x is minus x. That's it. Constant never change. That is constant. That is minus x cube plus 1. Now, is it odd function? Is it possible to take common minus? Suppose if I take minus common, minus is common here. So it is x cube. Here if I take minus common, so it will be minus 1. Minus into minus plus again. Now here you got x cube minus 1. But what is the f of x is? X cube plus 1. Then how can you write this is f of x? Then now it is neither odd function nor even function. It is neither even function nor odd function. This one. But here he said it is, suppose if I say it is odd function. It is compulsory odd function only. That means it should be odd function. Then compulsory, we cannot take here constant. Don't take constant here. To prove that one is odd function, compulsory constant term should be 0. Except 0, if you have anything, it is not odd function. So just remember, a function compulsory odd function you have to prove means that constant compulsory 0. So here what is the function is f of x equal to ax power 5 plus bx cube plus cx plus d. Here what is the constant is? Constant here. Constant term. Constant term is d. It compulsory condition. Remember this one. Any function compulsory odd function means constant term compulsory 0. That is fixed one. So answer is A. See the next problems. If f of x equal to 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. For mod of x equal to 1, then f inverse of x. We have to find inverse of the function. See this one. F of x equal to, this is the expansion for 1 minus x whole power minus 1. What is the expansion for this one is 1 plus x square plus x cube and so on. Suppose here 1 plus x whole power minus 1. That is 1 minus x plus x square minus x cube like that. So this is the expansion for this one. Now take this f of x is y. So y equal to 1 minus x whole power minus 1. That is 1 by 1 minus x. So y equal to 1 by 1 minus x. So what is the reverse of that one? I am taking reciprocal of this one. So there is 1 by y is equal to 1 by 1 minus x. So 1 by y equal to 1 by 1 minus x means 1 minus x. Now here, set this x to this side, 1 by y to this side. So it is minus x will be plus x equal to 1. Send this 1 by y to this side. So LCM is y into 1, y minus 1. So x equal to y minus 1 by y, that is x. Here, if you take these two, y equal to f of x. y equal to f of x. Send f to the side. That is f inverse of y is equal to x. So what is x means here? F inverse of y equal to y minus 1 by y. So f inverse of x in terms of x means x minus 1 by x. So answer is D. Next, come to this one. F of x equal to mod of x minus 1 plus mod of x minus 2 plus mod of x minus 3. Here how many terms are there? 3 terms are there. First one is mod of x minus 1, second is mod of x minus 2, third is mod of x minus 3. And what is given the range is between 2 to 3. In this between values, in this range, this mod of x minus 1 is positive or negative. This mod of x minus 2 is positive or negative. This mod of x minus 1 is positive or negative. How to check? So these type of you will get in integrals also. In the integrals also you will get this type of question. That means range given and modulus given. Okay. Now see here. Here what is given the range is here between 2 to 3. Between the 2 values into 3 values I will take. Now between 2 to 3 means can I take x value is 2.5. X value is 2.5 I am taking. Now substitute this 2.5 in the given functions. 3 functions are there. Mod of x minus 1, mod of x minus 2, mod of x minus 3. If it gives answer is plus, positive means it is plus. If it gives negative means negative. That's it. Now see, mod of x minus 1 is equal to mod of 2.5 minus 1. That is, how much it is? 2.5 minus 1 is? It is 1.5. It is plus 1.5. So it is positive. Positive means mod of x minus 1 is equal to plus x minus 1. Next, mod of x minus 2. Mod of 2.5 minus 2. So how much it is? Mod of, it is 0.5 plus 0.5. So it is also positive. Don't check, don't feel that one. If you take in the mod, it is negative also positive. Don't feel that one. Just I am verifying inside the mod. I am verifying the answer inside the mod. Inside the mod, answer is positive means it functions positive. Plus we have to take. So it is positive means mod of x minus 2 is plus x minus 2. Next, another is there mod of x minus 3. That is mod of 2.5 minus 3. That is mod of minus 0.5. In the mod you got negative. In the mod you got negative. When you got negative means mod of x minus 3 is equal to minus of x minus 3. Minus of x minus 3. Now substitute. Now what is the f of x is now? Mod of x minus 1 is plus x minus 1. Clear? Plus mod of x minus 2 is plus x minus 2. Clear? Next, mod of x minus 3 is minus of x minus 3. Minus of x minus 3. So that is x minus 1 plus x minus 2 minus x plus 3. So x cancel. Minus 1 minus 2 3. Minus 1 minus 2 minus 3. Minus 3 plus 3 cancel. Now what is the remaining? X. F of x equal to x. F of x equal to x means it is identity function. So this calculation up to here you have to do in your mind only. Just here I showed here. To show I wrote here, that's it. But you have to calculate in your mind only. That means how it is. Suppose x value is between 2 to 3. That means 2.5. So 2.5 minus 1, so positive. So it is plus x minus 1. Next, plus 2.5 minus 2, 0.5, it is positive. Positive is plus x minus 2. Next, 2.5 minus 3, minus 0.5, negative, you are getting negative. Negative means minus of x minus 3. Like that you have to solve. Don't write everything. No need to solve this entire thing. Just I showed here how it possible. But you have to calculate in your mind only. So, answer is identity function. See, the next one is, if f of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y and f of 5 equal to 32, then what is the value of f of 7? Now see here, already I gave this format. What is the format? Is f of x plus y is equal to f of x into f of y. When you have this format, you have to choose f of x equal to a power x blindly. Blindly, you have to choose f of x equal to a power x. So, now what is given the value is f of 5 is equal to 32. So, just substitute in place of x is 5. That is f of 5 is equal to a power x. In place of x is 5. That is a power 5. This one how much given? 32. So, this 32 I am writing as 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32. So bases equal, powers are equal, you can equate the bases, that is a value is 2. Now what is the original function? F of x equal to a value you got 2, substitute 2 power x, f of x equal to, now it is 2 power x. Now which value we have to find? F of 7. That means x value is 7, that is 2 power 7. 2 power 7 means it is 128. So answer is D. So what is the format here? F of x plus y equal to f of x into f of y, then f of x equal to a power x we have to choose. Next, come to this. If f of x equal to step x, all of you know about the step x. G of x equal to x minus step x. Then which of the following function is 0 function? That means answer should be 0. See here. Suppose x value is 2.7. What is the step x value? Step x value. This 2.7, the 0, 1, 2, number line I am taking. On the number line, this 2.7 is between 2 and 3. This 2.7 is between 2 and 3. So in the 2 and 3, what is the least value? 2. That is step x value. Always step x value is the least value. Suppose x value is 5.3. So 4, 5. So 5.3 is between 5 and 6. This 5.6, 5.3 is between 5 and 6. Okay. Now in the 5, 6, what is the least value? 5. So step x value is 5. Suppose here x value I am taking negative, that is minus 2.3, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3. Here minus 2.3 is between minus 2 and minus 3. Negative I am taking. Minus 2.3 is between minus 2 and minus 3. So in the minus 2, minus 3, what is the least one is? Minus 3. In the minus 2, minus 3, least one is minus 3. So step x value here minus 3. That is the step x. Now come to the problem. Here suppose first I am checking first one. f plus g of x. What you can write? F of x plus g of x. So what is f of x is step x plus g of x is x minus step x. Both are cancelled. Remaining is x. But is asking which one? Zero function. Zero function is also should be 0. So it is not 0. Not equal to 0. It is not zero function. So if you observe here, f plus g, f into g, f minus g, these are all are in the same format. So that's why I am not checking the next two. Which is different now? F circle g. I am checking that one. So I am checking D option. F circle g of x. That is f of g of x. F circle g of x means f of g of x. That is f of, what is the g of x is? X minus step x. X minus step x. Now, this x minus step x, I am changing the bracket. Don't confuse here. This x minus step x, we have to substitute in f. What is the f of x is step x? F of x is step x. Now, in place of x, how much is there here? That is x minus step x is there. So, in place of x, we have to write this everything. That is step of full whole bracket. In place of x is whole bracket, close this one. In place of this one is this one. X minus step x. That means how much is step of, this is whole step of x minus step x. Step of x minus step x. Now this is 0 or not. See one, I am taking one value. Suppose x value 2.5 or 2.7, anything you can take. Anything you can take. Suppose if you take normal 3, 4 like that. 3 means step 3, 3. 3 minus 3, 0. That's why I am taking decimal values. 2.5, 2.3 like that. So now it is 2.5 minus step of 2.5. That is step of 2.5, same. Step of 2.5. Step of 2.5 is 2.5 is between 2 and 3. In the 2, 3 least value is 2. So step of 2.5 is 2. Minus 2. So 2.5 minus 2 is step of 0.5. This is step off, not closed bracket. It is step off. Again, step of 0.5. So step of 0.5, 0 here, 1 here. 0.5 is between 0 and 1. In the 0 and 1, what is the next value? 0. So step of 0.5 is 0. So you got the answer is 0. So this is the 0 function. Which one? F circle g of x is 0 function. Answer is D. Okay. These are the problems for today. In the next class, I will give the remaining problems. Thank you.